In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to randomize slides in Google Slides. If you're running a quiz, creating a warm-up activity, or just want a fresh order for your presentation, shuffling your slides can save time and add variety. Google's Slides doesn't include a built-in shuffle button, but you can do it quickly with a trusted add-on. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns or can edit the presentation you want to shuffle. At the top right, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots, and choose Slides from the menu. This opens Google Slides, where you'll see your recent presentations. Open the presentation you want to randomize. Once it's loaded, look at the menu bar at the top and click Extensions. From there, choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where we'll install the tool that does the shuffling for us. In the search bar, type Slides Randomizer. You should see an add-on with that name in the results. Click it to open its details page. Take a moment to read the overview and check the permissions so you understand what access it needs. When you're ready, click Install and follow the on-screen prompts to grant permission. This may ask you to select your account and confirm access. That's normal for Workspace add-ons. When the installation finishes, return to your presentation. Click Extensions again, and you'll now see Slides Randomizer in the list. Click it, then choose the option to start the shuffle process. The add-on will rearrange your slides into a random order automatically. If the add-on offers settings, you may be able to keep your title slide fixed or customize what gets shuffled. A couple of quick tips to keep you safe and efficient. Consider making a copy of your presentation before shuffling, especially if you're preparing something important. That way you preserve your original order. If you don't like the new order, you can immediately use undo or open version history to roll back to a previous arrangement. Also, be mindful of slide dependencies. If one slide references content on the next slide, you may want to group those together before shuffling or adjust your content afterward. That's it. You've successfully randomized your slides in Google Slides using an add-on. If this was helpful, practice the process once or twice so it becomes second nature, and you'll be ready to reshuffle anytime you need a fresh flow.